Alright, I'm in Kitakami on Route 107. It's the same road that we used to go to Yuri Honjo in the C2C charity challenge, and except today I'm going in the eastern direction because I'm not going to Yuri Honjo, going back to Hanamaki. And here we are. I'm just crossing the viaduct, and on that side alright, now time for a little pit stop. I'm in Ion in Kitakami. You can see the sign over there. Crossing over the Kitakami River to the east side, and I'll come back to Hanamaki via the Hanamaki to Kitakami cycle road. Oh, so beautiful. Yeah, since it's so beautiful, I think I'm going to take a little detour to the Otoko Yama. The mountain just over here. It has a absolutely breathtaking view of the area on a beautiful day. Alright, let's do that. Alright, so I'm almost at the beginning of the climb, but just before I get there I want to point to you something. This is a traditional boundary between Date in the south and Nambu in the north. So here those two little mountains were the traditional boundaries. Up there is a little traditional village, Michinoku village. So it's kind of interesting that Date was the samurai in the south in Sendai, and Nambu was the samurai in the north at Mutsu in Aomori. Interestingly though, Nambu is in the north, but it means southern capital. Could be wrong, but I think that's what it means. Anyway, let's go to this is the beginning of the hill. I think it's about 15%, but near the top it's over 20%. I won't be able to film, too steep. So this is the last part of the hill, and it's very slippery, so I have to walk, and it's just as fast anyway. We're almost there, about 50 meters. Oh, it's hot. So straight up there is Mount Iwate, Kitakami River. And ahead is the Waga Valley. There is Getoski area. So last Sunday I was up there. And right up there is Kurikoma Kogen. Mount Kurikoma, I should say. That's in south. So I'm on my way back up north now, I said earlier. So I'm going to get onto the cycling path soon. And here's the Kitakami River. It's very low now. The snow is not melted yet. So we're going to get off here and get onto the cycling path. Alright, looks a little bit icy. Along the Kitakami River there is a stone water mill, and it's not running now. They actually run it twice a year, in spring and in the fall after they harvest the buckwheat. onto the cycle path. For some reason I usually ride it on the opposite direction, and although in the winter it's kind of nice because it's protected from the wind, so it's easier in winter. Alright, I'm back in Hanamaki, only about 5 kilometers left, and here today again it's so beautiful, so clear. Look at the side of Mount Iwate. Alright, cross back to the other side, to the west side of the Kitakami River. Inside the downtown Hanamaki. Used to be a busy place, but now it's pretty quiet. Most businesses have moved away from here. There's a famous American restaurant.